Hi there, and for today's video, we're going to show you how to get yourself a Gemini API key. So the first thing we have to do is open up Google and then type in Gemini API keys. Nowadays, because there's a sponsored link, this is the first thing that would show up, Gemini Code Assistant. But where you actually have to go, just scroll down a bit and you'll see Google AI for developers. Get a Gemini API key. This is what we need. Click on that. And once here, simply click on Get a Gemini API Key in Google AI Studio. Now, if you notice, I am not signed in. I am simply going to go straight ahead. It will take you to a new tab and it will show us this pop-up, which is technically the accepting of terms and agreement. Simply check this, and optionally, you can opt in to receive emails for updates and advice. But for this video, I will simply consent to the terms and conditions. Now, once here, if you've noticed, Google's AI Studio automatically logged me in with the email I'm currently using. As you can see, I don't have any projects yet. I will simply click on Create an API Key. It is generating a key. Now, we can immediately save this key to maybe a notepad or a WordPad or something. But even if I simply close it, I can still open that up if I click here. As you can see, it is the same key, and you now have a Gemini API key. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.